Hi plant lovers, it's me again, Nelborn of Katipunan Cactus and Succulents. I have here a zebra na succulents. Parang familiar siya ng aloe and nakalagay siya sa clay pot. And now, gusto ko siyang lagyan ng Osmocote at saka perlite on top as toppings. Now, I'm gonna start. First is, unahin ko muna yung Osmocote. Ilagay ko muna yung Osmocote dito. Osmocote. After that, toppings on perlites. Toppings, more pa, more. After that, Osmocote again. Now, for final toppings. For finishing touch, so it's already done. Meron siyang toppings na perlite. I'm just hoping na sasaha siya, magbigay siya ng babies. That's all. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye. See you next time.